Guys, welcome back to Login Joins. So today let's learn what is GPT-4 and how you can use OpenGPT-4. To start with, GPT-4 is more advanced than GPT-3 and all the updated features and accuracy that comes along with it. So GPT-4 is a next generation OpenAI large model that could offer multi-modal abilities such as AI generated videos and faster response to user queries. GPT-4 is set to generate less negative contents and it can also handle more inputs than GPT-3. So how do you use GPT-4? For that, log into your usual account. Here tap on Upgrade to Plus. Once you are here, tap Upgrade Plan. Here enter the credentials, your email address, your card information, your name as well, and once you are done, tap subscribe. And once the payment has been received, your GPT account plus will begin. And this is how you use GPT account 4. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel.